Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's our topic is Principle of Isolation of Lambda-phase DNA. Lambda bacteriophage of E. coli is well-known double-stranded DNA virus of 48 to 5,500 nucleotides in its circular form. It is a good example of specific biological regulation. During the first and second cycle, Uh, generally, the biology of bacteria phase, the practical work should be prepared with the lambda DNA because the manipulation and the expensive type is this practical also consumes purification of intent phase expensive the second virions. This method is reported here. Phagous virions are precipitated from the light seed by the brief air. It is sufficient to supply the prepared DNA. They should attempt to prove their preparation was successful. And what is the material method is required to equipment, water bath, magnetic stir, automatic micropipettes, syringe, DEAE columns, plastic gloves, centrifugation, agar blades, UV transformator, microcentrifugation, mini electrophoresis, submerged agarose gel. Reagents should be required for isopropanol, ethanol, agarose, ribonuclease, proteinase, EcoRI1, VGI second, restriction enzyme, molecular weight marker, lambda hint third, and for the buffer solution and algae growth, algae agar, electrophoresis buffer and gel loading buffer, NMT buffer, MgSO4. So these is the material method should be required for the starting of the further practical. How to do the experimental, I will tell you. First of all, the preparation of the phag-lytic incubation, the algae growth maltose with a single colony of host bacteria and incubated with the vigorous shaking for 4 to 5 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. In fact, 0.2 ml of fresh culture with the 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 6 plague forming units of lambda phase for 15 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Mix the infected bacteria with 3 ml of melted taupe agar capped at 50 degrees Celsius and pour onto the agar plate. Incubated the plates at 37 degrees Celsius overnight. After that, chill the plates for 1 hour at 44 degrees Celsius and then overlay with 5 ml of cold NMT. Shake the plates gently for 2 hours or leave without shaking at the 4 degrees Celsius overnight. Pipette of the lice or centrifugation 13,000 for 10 minutes to remove cell dervish and agar. Then next procedure is the fake purification. Centrifugation is the lysis of 30 minutes for 4 degrees Celsius. Suspend the pallet by gently vortex in the 3 ml of 10 tris and pH should be 8.0. Load the fags suspension on the DEAE cellulose column. Equilibrate with 10 tris pH should be 8.0. Wash the column with 3 ml of MCT and discard the run through. Load 1 ml of illusion buffer and the discard the run through. Load at the final 0.6 ml of illusion buffer and the collect the fake enriched fraction in the microcentrifugation tubes. After that, we have to do enzymatic treatment phase by the lysis DNA construction. Add 2.11 of ribonuclease, incubate for the 30 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Then add 15 ml of proteinase K and 25 ml of SDS and incubate for 15 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Heat for the 15 minute 88 degrees Celsius and cool on an ice. Centrifugation for 15 minutes. Then further transfer the supernatant to the new tubes. Mix with 700 ml of isopropanol capped at 20 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Sediment the DNA at 30,000 rpm For 15 minutes, replace the supernatant with the 70% of ethanol and centrifugation. For 5 minutes, dry the pellets under the vacuum and reuse it. In TE and DNA concentration was evaluated and adjust to the 500 ml. The lambda DNA was may be digested with the restriction enzyme is stored at minus 20 degrees Celsius. Restriction digestion of lambda DNA set up to the restriction enzyme digestion into the microcentrifugation tubes at incubated at 37 degrees Celsius. After that, gel electrophoresis or DNA fragment, mix appropriate quantities of agarose in TBE, boil, and then cool at 255 degrees Celsius, and then add ethidium bromide for 0.5 ml. Pour agarose into the gel apparatus. After cooling, load sample 1 to 6 into the well with the micropipette. Load 1 mg of DNA size marker on either side of the samples. Leave the electrophoresis running for 30 degree volts overnight at 100 volts until the tracking die have migrated. After that, you have to see the result. DNA, lambda DNA, how to isolate the lambda DNA. You can see the gel. Thank you.